Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, on today's day, we're gonna start with the GER30, our first instrument. Today's date is the 21st of February. Ladies and gentlemen, when we look at our chart, we can see that we are on the daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. So if we focus on the chart, we can see that we've been respecting this area for quite some time. This area right here where we see the price made a couple of touches to create this area a very strong support zone. And we can also see this structure that the price have been making this couple of touches of trend line where the price was giving us this resistance, this diagonal resistance. So we can or confirm that we are having a descending wedge, and since we are on a daily time frame, we can see where the price is at currently is respecting the area again and is pushing high towards the diagonal resistance. So what we can do, we cannot just jump on the market at the moment. We just have to wait for the market to reach the diagonal resistance to see if it will break and give us another opportunity to trade, because we just have to wait for the retest. After the breakout, we're gonna have a retest, then we push high. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to see what I'm trying to show you today. So let's go to the lower time frame and see any possibilities if the price will be able to break or not. We can see that the price has been giving us beautiful rejections candles. As much as you can see here, we had this long weak candles to show us the price has been pushing down, and right here the price, the buyers were in charge. As you can see, this long wicks. What I can tell you is the price is not going to break through this horizontal support. It's a very strong support. You can see the rejections. By the rejections, when we read our candlesticks, look how bullish this candle it is, and we are only left with few minutes to break, for it to close. So this price, the buyers, we can say the bulls are really in charge. We are about to see ourselves reaching the diagonal resistance anytime soon. After that, I believe it will break and push high towards the moon. Let's not waste any time. Let's move to the next one. Our next instrument is gold. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a daily time frame. This is our instrument. I hope you are able to see that. Previously we had this triangle that we can see right here. If I zoom out, allow me to zoom out so you guys can be able to tell that we had this beautiful triangle right here. We call it a symmetrical triangle. So the price respected the area and pushed towards the downside. When it was around this area, respected it to push towards the upside with the moves like that, the wave form like, then the price happened to break out of this triangle, symmetrical triangle. We can tell that we had a retest and the price is pushing high, and now is giving us this type of structure, which is a very beautiful bullish trend. We can see that this type of structure is very beautiful because we will be having a price breaking out of this horizontal resistance and previous support. Because one thing that I can tell you, when you go to the lower time frame, we will like to see the very beautiful movement of the chart. When we say we are bullish, when you say the price is on a trend, it's because it's confirmed by us when we see the resistance, these areas like horizontal resistance being broken to form a support or to turn it into a support. Previous resistance turned into a support. Previous resistance turned into a support. I hope you can see that the price will be making this type of formation, wave forms, like we will be able to say be moving with the higher high. The price will be creating higher highs, higher low, higher high, then give us higher low somewhere around here before we see it pushing high. You can tell when we do the readings of the candlestick that the price is about to push down. Look at this rejection. Look at this long weak candle that is on the, it shows us the sellers, the bears are in control. The price is about to push towards our area where it's gonna respect it and push towards the upside. One thing I can say is we will have to wait for the price, since it's around this area. Let's wait for the price to make a few candles before it reaches this, or before we place our trades. Let's wait for the price to hit this previous or initial resistance to give us a support and ride along with the trend. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to show you here, so that you don't fall into a trap. This is good. Let me go to the lower time frames and see, maybe we can have some structure to trade, to show you guys that we have a very beautiful channel right here that is forming. I hope you guys are able to see the channel that is forming right here. Look at how beautiful this channel it is. You can see we having our higher highs where the price is reaching the resistance diagonal and reach the support, or it's even a horizontal resistance. So we can tell that the price is playing very nice moves, guys. You just have to wait for the price to come and reach our support, then we place buys. If we see your bullish or the rejection candlestick, if we see any rejection candlestick with the long wicks, we can say now we are about to enter. That will be our sign to enter or to place our trades. Let's move to the next one. Let's not waste any time. Our next instrument is US100, everybody's favorite. everybody's favorite, or the mother-in-law's favorite. That's how I call it. There's this plant called mother-in-law's tongue. I don't know why they call it, but US100 NASDAQ, I call it mother-in-law's favorite. This is our instrument, and we are on a daily time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, my voice is not that good today. I apologize for any inconvenience. On US100, we can tell that we are still having this structure, which is a descending wedge. The price is giving us a descending wedge, and it's been respecting these areas for quite some time. As you can see, it made a couple of touches around the horizontal or support to give or to confirm that this is a respected support, a very strong support. So we can see that the price has been respecting this area, whereas it has made a couple of touches on diagonal resistance. We are about to witness the price reaching towards this area during the week. We can say that we will witness the price pushing high. You can see already the price rejected the area. The buyers, the bulls, are in charge now, are in control, are about to push high. If we move closer to the price with the lower time frame, we will be able to see some couple of weeks and very bullish candlesticks. I can confirm that we are about to push high. The price rejected or respected the area. You can see with this candlesticks here, bullish candlesticks, very long wick and bullish. We just have to wait for this price to close, to this candle to close. After it closes, we can say we are about to hit this previous lower high, and then if the price break out of it to push towards this previous resistance, we will be saying this is a change of character. We will be saying this is a change of character. We call it chalk. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If the price goes straight to break out of this area, we will be having this area as our chalk, changing of area. Changing of character. But one thing I can tell you, we are not coming back to this place, to this area where the price, the price has rejected and now is about to push towards this target, the previous or initial resistance. I guess trading is becoming very easy. As you can even see here, this is another confirmation for us. Allow me to use this line to show you guys that this is another confirmation for us that the price is very respecting these areas. As we can see that the price is always respecting important areas. Look at this area, the previous support. Let's see if our price is about to respect it and push down. One thing I can say is we just have to wait for the price for this candle to close above this area, the previous support, to create or to turn it into our resistance. so that we can say now we are pushing towards the downside. You can see that the price has been respecting this area for quite some time, as it has respected it for a couple of times, actually twice respected it here. This is a 4-hourly time frame, so you will find when you go to the lower time frame, you will see a couple of candles that have been rejected from this area right here, where the price now, it seems like it's about to respect it, where the price it's showing us now, it's like about to respect the area. You can see where there's a candlestick that we are about to have a little rejection, but with this bullish candlesticks that I see, these two bullish candlesticks that I see, I can confirm that this area won't be respected anytime soon. Maybe during the opening session we will be having the price breaking out of this horizontal area to reach our previous resistance, our initial resistance, and then from there we will wait for the price to move during the week, so we can have such movements or such structure for us to reach the area at the top right there. Excuse me, my voice is not that good today. I guess I'm catching flu instead of feelings. Let's go to the next one. Let's not waste any time. Ladies and gentlemen, our last instrument is US30 Dow Jones. We can see that the price has been respecting the area a couple of times during the previous weeks, and now where we at? Just at the area where the price is respecting this diagonal resistance area. It's giving us this such type of channel. In the meantime, we are having a descending wedge. Let's move closer to the time frame so that we can be able to tell where is our opportunities to enter the market or to place the price. To place the trades. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame. Excuse me. We can be able to tell that where we can place our trades. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the price was respected a couple of times. This area has been respected for a couple of times, and this is our overall support zone, as the price was respecting this area for a couple of times from the higher time frames. Even during this lower time frame, 4-hourly, the price came back to retest and push towards the upside. You can see this very beautiful, this very big fat bullish candle, this candlestick. After it, we witnessed another candlestick. I hope we are left with 2 hours now, 2 hours for this candle to close. I believe that in 2 hours time, when this candle closes, it will close above this area. I'm praying for that to close above this area. If it closes below the area, it clearly tells us the price is respecting the area, so that it will push towards the downside. But I don't want to see that. I want to see this candlestick close above the price so that I can place my buys, because it will be confirming that The price is about to break this previous diagonal resistance that was respected. Now we are about to break out of it and push towards the moon. It's about time. I've been preaching that this area has been respected for a couple of times. I've been saying way back 2 or 1 week ago that this area will be broken soon, and I believe it's about time. This week we will clearly having this type of moves. We can tell that the price will break out of the area, retest and right towards the moon. I believe you are able to witness. If we move to the lower time frame, you will be able to witness that we are having a very nice structure right here. We are having a very nice channel inside the bigger channel, which is our price or our area to trade. If we look closer to this channel or to this price action movements, we can see that we've been having structure formed like this. Now we broke out of it. We are about to retest and reach our overall diagonal resistance before we can say we come into retest and push high. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame, and we can see here we had a small channel where the price was giving us this type of moves. Since it broke out of it to reach our previous initial support that was broken, and it was initial resistance. Now the price didn't respect the area. As you see, it's about to close above it. This next candlestick, if it closes above this area right here, this next candlestick, we will be clearly, that will confirm that our price is heading towards the overall diagonal resistance, and from there we're gonna push towards the moon. This is our downtrend actually, but now it seems like the price is about to give us a very bullish structures. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for liking this video. Thank you for subscribing. I wish those who haven't subscribed, they could subscribe so that we can be able to continue with these informative videos that gives us a motivation to continue making this type of videos for you. I hope this video is very informative for you guys to be able to understand where you are going with your trades. And another thing, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to hit that like button right there. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely day. Thank you.